How to add music to Facebook post. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, on top of your screen, you will see the What's on Your Mind tab. So tap on that in order to make a post, and now go ahead and add or select videos and photos that you want to make a post with and add music to. You will then see the option for add music there, so tap on that, or you can also tap on the music icon on the bottom of your screen. Now, in the music interface, go ahead and scroll through and tap on the song that you want to add as music, or you can also tap on the trending or saved option and select the music of your choice. And if not, you can also tap on the search bar and search for the exact music that you want and tap on it. Further, go ahead and scroll through and select the exact portion of the music that you want to add, and finally tap on the done option and then tap on the next option in order to make the post. And with this, the post will be made with the music in it. So this is how you can add music to Facebook posts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.